Shellstrop. Happy 80th. Let's hear it for. Let's clap. So good, so good. And kids, we're so glad we're here because Dolly asked us to come here. Because what's important? Well, it's working out. It's working out, isn't it? How do we stay in shape, kids? You tell me. Go ahead, Olivia. How do you do it?
Exercise.
Exercise. And what a great way to exercise. Exercise. A great way to exercise is exercise.
That's what I do.
It's gone. That's right. Whoa. All right. So how do we start? We start by limbering up and stretching. Let's hear it. Stretch.
Stretch.
So how do we do it? Put the hands over the head. Hand. Thank you. Over the head. And reach down to the toes. Oh, there we go. And back over the head. And down the toes. And shake it out. Shake it out, everyone. Shake it out. Okay. All right, let's start with a little calisthenics. This is the thing I like to do. Leg ups, leg ups. So we have to make sure our hands are in appropriate position. So hands, hands, hands. All right. Hands, and it's right foot, left foot, right, left, right, left. And shake it out. Shake it out. Oh. That's tough. That's tough. I need a little sweating here and.
Tissue.
Yeah. Not really, I'm fine. Okay. All right, now the tough one is the two-legged. Everyone knows the two-legged calisthenic is very tough, so we get the hands in position. Hands! Hands, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold! All right, now we're going to try something here. A little jumping jacks. Everybody knows jumping jacks, right? Crazy, you know jumping jacks? Why don't you show us how to do it? Come on. All right, then I will. All right. Oh, go ahead, Olivia. Right, beautiful. Right. See the hands out of the side? So hands out of the side. And there we go. And ready. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa! Check it out. My pants are falling down. You should have told me. Hey, my pants up. It's disgusting. Shirt tucked in. Always look good, people.
Right.
Keep the hair in place. Keep the hair. You're not listening. Thank you. Keep the hair in place. Eyebrows. Always looking good. Lift your lips for. And then the eyebrows. Here we go. Okay. All right, now we're on to the big one. This is the big F final. We like this one. This is the finger lifts. Finger lifts. Take each finger, one finger in each hand. One finger in each hand. Okay, put it down on the ground. Down on the ground. Okay, maybe not as dessert. There we go. And then lift up the legs ever so slowly. Okay. Wasn't it? Hey, stop here, folks. Stop here. You watching Uncle George? Keep your eyes open. Okay, here we get my pants are down. Look at my pants. It's so ghetto. Oh, you see anything? Look, you see anything? Oh, there you go. My socks are falling down too. You get them up? Oh, it's disgusting. You always look good. Okay, one finger lift off to the right. Here we go.
Again. Do it again.
It's better, folks. It's better. Everybody, we have to meditate here a little bit more. Thank you. Everyone, a little first kumbaya.
Kumbaya.
Where were you? Where were you, kids? All right, here we go. One finger down. Feet up. Bring you up. Bring you up. There we go. Oh, I know my pants are falling down. Next time, suspenders. All right, now it's kids' turns. We need a volunteer. Someone here. All right, I'll take the person with the hands up. Okay, great. First one to take that ball out of whatever that is and wipe it off wins.
What?
Your shirt.
Oh, no.
Okay, then. Sir, can I have one of your napkin there, sir? It's a lockout.
Sir.
No more drinks for that man over there. All right, okay, you ready? I'll wipe it off. All right, okay. Throw the ball to that child over there.
Okay.
There we go. You ready to catch? Catch this. All right. Good.
Oh, it's all wet.
Well, yeah. Okay, so what's the most important thing when throwing a ball?
To catch it.
To catch it. And when you're throwing it, aim. right? Okay, so it's right in here, right in my hand. Just go. All right. Okay. Yeah, it was really good aim, but the hands were not quick enough. No. Maybe more of an arcing throw. Give it to somebody else. Arcing. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Remember the kick. This kick down here. Okay, there we go. And the last attempt, a gentle throw, an arcing throw. Throw the ball, and oh, nice try. Nice try. Okay, you guys practice harder. Obviously, you're not getting it. All right. Listen, the reason we're really here is to really announce that there are wonderful desserts upstairs. How good are the desserts? Well, we brought one with us. It's so good. This is something Dolly's worked on all night. It's got a flavor, well, it's reminiscent of vanilla, a slight... Oh yes, a slight aroma of Chardonnay, and oh, shall I say baby powder? Where does that come from? I don't know. Well, let me taste it. Just a little taste. Oh, it's good. So go on upstairs and enjoy it. Thanks for coming.